Hey, you're looking at George Clooney's new house. Looks like they've built scaffolding and closed the whole thing in scaffolding. They're going to take the roof off, or repair it as needed, work their way down. If you look over there on that, there's some green fencing there. Looks like they're going to probably continue with this stuff here that's shielding it. So what's the point of living on the river if you take away your view? Maybe you don't take away the view. Who knows? From it, sit on the second floor, you're looking at it. But then again, what's to look at? it's not very exciting here in this stretch of the water here. Up that way is the lock nearby, so it's pretty quiet. It's kind of hard to believe this little bit of water can support all the boats that go up and down it. Kind of surprised there isn't more traffic out here at the moment as far as the boating end of it goes. Look at that great old tree. I've taken lots of pictures of that thing over the years. Looks a bit worse for wear. So that's where we are. This is the 1st of April, first part of April, 2:15.